والشمس وضحاها
By the sun and its brightness,
والقمر إذا تلاها
and by the moon when it follows it,
والنهار إذا جلاها
and by the day when it displays it,
والليل إذا يغشاها
and by the night when it conceals it,
والسماء وما بناها
and by the sky and he who constructed it,
والأرض وما طحاها
and by the earth and he who spread it,
ونفس وما سواها
and by the soul and he who proportioned it,
فألهمها فجورها وتقواها
and inspired it with discernment of its wickedness and its righteousness.
قد أفلح من زكاها
He has succeeded who purifies it,
وقد خاب من دساها
and he has failed who instills it with corruption.
كذبت ثمود بطغواها
Thamud denied their prophet by reason of their transgression,
إذ انبعث أشقاها
when the most wretched of them was sent forth.
فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها
And the Messenger of Allah said to them, "Do not harm the she-camel of Allah or prevent her from her drink."
فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها
But they denied him and hamstrung her. So their Lord brought down upon them destruction for their sin and made it equal upon all of them.
ولا يخاف عقباها
And he does not fear the consequence thereof.